Hello, I'm Kevin. I'm a landscape architect and I'm also the design director at Yardzen. Thank you for taking a moment to learn more about us today. I am here to explain how Yardzen's design process works. You can think of Yardzen's design process as essentially being a sequence of 3 stages: dream, design, and build. Dreaming comes first. Dreaming is where you tell us all about the landscape design that you want to create. Designing comes next. That's where you work with your designer through a process of iteration and sharing feedback about your new landscape design. As part of that design process, you will receive a number of different deliverables from us, including photorealistic 3D renders, 2-dimensional black and white plan drawings, and lists of plants and other elements used in your design. Building is the final stage, and this to me is the most exciting part. This is where the design goes from being a concept to being an actual built, livable space. I think it's also helpful to think of the Yardzen process as a dialogue between you and your design and build teams. This dialogue begins with you, with the ball in your hands. Once you purchase your Yardzen package, you jump immediately into our onboarding process. Now, onboarding is where you tell us all about your project. You share photos and videos of your property, inspiration images, written feedback. If you have plans, great, you can share them. You don't have to have them, no problem if you don't. After onboarding, the ball goes to us. We jump into action working on your first design iteration. As soon as that design is wrapped up, it's your turn to take action again, this time by sharing feedback with us about your first design iteration. This is where you're going to tell us everything you feel about your design, what we should keep, what we should change, what we should remove. Now, a couple important notes about sharing feedback. First of all, there is no time limit. You can take all the time you need. Secondly, you can share feedback a number of different ways. Most people like to share feedback using our online feedback studio, which you can access directly in your Yardzen account. That said, there are also paths available to share feedback through email or by scheduling a call with someone from our team. Just let us know what's going to work best for you. Once you're all done sharing feedback, the ball goes back to us again, and we get to work on your second design iteration. Now, another note here, most Yardzen packages include 2 design iterations. Premium packages do include 3 design iterations, so those clients go through 1 additional cycle of feedback. Once your final design iteration is all wrapped up, your dedicated account manager and our in-house contractor jump into action to help you move into the build stage. This is where you're going to connect with a contractor, get your design built, and get down to enjoying your new outdoor space. If you have any more questions or just would like a little more information, feel free to reach out to us anytime. Our team is standing by ready to help.